Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data, and we would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 13th October. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. If we see the 14th October weekly expiry series, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is at 18,000 strike, followed by 18,200 call strike. So 18,200 is likely to act as a strong resistance for this weekly expiry series. And if you see the puts, highest amount of open interest currently is at 17,800 put strike, followed by 17,900 put strike. So for this weekly series, we are likely to see support around 17,900 and 17,800 on the Nifty index spot, and we are broadly trading in a 400 point range on the index. And if you were to see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday, you will see that today highest amount of open interest addition in calls happened at 18,250 strike and 18,200 call strike. And if we see in the money calls, 17,800 and 17,850 call strike, they saw their open interest reduce. And if we were to analyze the put option data, what happened intraday, highest amount of open interest addition happened at 17,900 put strike, followed by 17,950 put strike. So there's a high probability tomorrow that 17,900 is likely to act as a strong support tomorrow. And we also saw open interest reduction in the money puts, like 18,000 put strike and 18,050 put strike. So if you were to see the price action of intraday, basically we had a correction in the market in the early part of the day, and we later recovered the losses, and we ended the day net positive in percentage changes if we were to see the index. So what this put options open interest reduction tells me is that the traders who were late in shorting the markets, so basically they have booked their losses, and put writers, they booked their profits. That's why we saw a reduction in the money put option strikes. So I'll conclude the open interest analysis by saying that we are trading in a 400 point range on the index of 17,800 to 18,200, and 17,900 is likely to act as a strong support tomorrow. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, so on the monthly time frame, we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the monthly open of 17,531 levels. On the weekly time frame, again we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open of 17,867. And you have to see that the last 2 weeks they were in inside candlesticks. So we have broken the weekly inside candlesticks to the upside. And if we see the daily time frame, today we were under control of buyers above 17,915 levels. So if we see the intraday, so in the early part of the day, we were basically trading lower, we were correcting, and then around 12 to 1 p.m. zone, we formed an inside Ali candle. So above this inside candlestick breakout to the upside, so we had a situation of full time frame continuity at that point of time, because at that point of time on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame, as well as the daily time frame, market was under control of buyers and they were aggressively lifting the offers. So on all the respective time frames, we were trading above their respective opens. So despite that, we in terms of price structure, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So it's in an uptrend, and today technically for me, we have consolidated and market is under control of both the buyers and the sellers, as an inside candlestick has been formed. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios tomorrow. Above 17,991 we can trade toward 18,008 level, and if we break 18,008 level, then it would be breakout to the upside from the inside day candlestick, and we can potentially trade toward 18,096 levels. And if we trade below 17,919, we can trade towards 17,864 level, which is today's lows. So if we manage to break 17,864, in that scenario we can potentially trade towards 17,776 levels, and neutral price range for tomorrow is 17,991 to 17,919 level. I would be tracking two stocks tomorrow. These two stocks are formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So in Canfin Home, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 686 level. On the weekly time frame, again market is under control of buyers above 684.8 level, and on the daily time frame we have formed an inside candlestick. So the high probability trade would be, we would be looking for buying opportunity of 709.1 level with a normal position size, and aggressive traders, they can look for selling opportunity as well below 692.15 levels at lower position size, because it would be a counter trend trade in Canfin Home if it were to break this inside candlestick to the downside. And our next stock is Tata Consumer Products. So it is under control of buyers on the monthly time frame above 812.9 level, and if we see the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers. And you will see on the weekly time frame, last week was also an inside candlestick, and today is this week is again an inside candlestick. And on the daily time frame, we have again formed an inside candlestick. So in Tata Consumer, since there is no clear concise trend, we should trade with half our position size in either direction. That if we trade above 823.1, we should look for buying opportunities, and below 813.5 we should look for selling opportunities with half our normal position size. And finally, before ending this video, I would be summarizing that tomorrow above 17,991 we can potentially trade towards 18,096 levels, and below 17,919 level we can trade towards 17,776 levels. And we are in a 400 point broad range on the index for the 14th October weekly expiry series, and the max main is currently at 17,950 level. So if market expires around 17,950 tomorrow, on day after tomorrow, in that scenario, call and put option writers of 17,950 strike, they would be making profits. And finally, I like to thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.